Hi everyone, Marcus Hines here with Hines Realty Group in Walnut Creek, where we sell homes for 100% or more of your asking price, or we'll pay you the difference. Today, it's my pleasure to present to you a new home for sale. This home is on 63 West Lake Drive in Antioch. The home sits in Lake Alhambra, right on the lake, surrounded by beautiful homes and an awesome setting. Who likes fishing? You've got a back deck, patio, and your own dock. Set up a little paddle boat, a raft, go fishing, enjoy your summers. This home has also been fully remodeled for those picky buyers who are looking for that perfect home this summer on the lake. This is the home for you. Fully remodeled flooring, updated roof, gutters, paint, tile kitchen. The kitchen's been completely remodeled. It's perfect for a first-time buyer or a move-up buyer who's looking for that perfect home. You got a nice big den, open floor plan, remodeled master, bathrooms, plumbing, electrical. Its home is better than new. It's sitting on the lake. It's ready for you to buy. To schedule your own private showing, give me a call. I'm Marcus, 925-289-3333. Let's get you on the inside of this beautiful home before you miss out. Thank you.